Here's a little bit of my 4th of July 2012 goodies. Got a little pair of, what do we see here? I think this is a cross set, red and blue titanium salute cake, Ledoux. Got my 6-inch shells. Got some 6s, 5s, all assorted. Got some 3s, ties sorted. Some XCals right there. DS1 2-inch titanium salutes. And one of my favorites of all time, 2-inch purple tail. I think I have red tail, purple tail, silver tail, and blue tail 2-inch Roman candles. Bam. Yeah. That's how we do it, San Ho style. We've got a case. Got a couple more XCals. Got my boy Vasco. 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 Hey Vasco. What's he doing? It's my guard dog. And then oh yeah. Another finale cake right here. Hold up. This right here is a 300 shot titanium salute cake, Ledoux. And got these bad boys too, M5000 true half sticks. So can't wait to get these puppies up in the air. Bam. It's gonna be a lovely 4th of July. Have a safe one. Gone.